Hello guys, and welcome to another jQuery video tutorial. And in the last video I told you that I would show you how to do the same thing but without the on-click event handler in here. So you can take the on-click out, okay, from your code. Okay, so you only have to do two simple things. Identify with an ID the ahref here. I called it first. The second ahref as well, an ID, different ID, I called it second. And the div ID I think you already have, call it differently as well, div1 and div2. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to do the on-click function, but in jQuery here. Okay, so it's very simple. You just have to call with the selector here. We just call the ID first. Okay, dot click and function, and the function is to toggle div1, okay, whenever we click first, and then close it, and then do the same thing, pretty much the same thing for the second. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Just have to change this to second. Don't forget hash, and here you use div2, okay, which is this one. So let's save this and let's try to run the code. Let's see if it works. Here it is. So if I click news of today, this is news of today, nothing special. If I click sports, oops. Okay, nothing. It's not working. Okay, so let's run this in Firefox. I think it's not working because, yeah. I have an old version of Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome doesn't work. So I open here in Firefox. Okay, this is Firefox, and if I click news of today, it opens, toggles. If you click again, it hides. If I click sports news, there it is. Okay guys, I can still open the two at the same time. Not at the same time, but I can open the two of them. So that's how you can toggle two different selectors, okay, or divs or whatever. So that's it. So I'm going to show you how to do some other effects. As you can see in the first video, when we clicked, it had a little slide with a speed that we limit here. So I'm going to do that as well. Let's type here the speed. So let's refresh. If I click now, you see it opens and it closes. And this is not the speed, it's the speed, but it's more the delay, okay? Because if we type 500, you'll see that it's going to be a lot faster. You see, it's a little faster now. So pretty cool. So let's try some other stuff. Okay, so instead of I'm just going to show you how to do one function, so we don't need this one here. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to show you how to do another effect, which is, if you guys want to see the every kind of effects that you can use in jQuery, as I told you before, you can go in, let's delete this, you can go to the jQuery official page, in here, Let's click there. And documentation, click there. Let's search for, where is it? Here. The right side, you have selectors, attributes, manipulating, events, effects. So let's click effects. Okay, so you have a lot of effects that you can use here. Okay, so let me use the fade in, fade out, which is very cool as well. So let's type fade in, and where is it? Fading. Okay. Fading, and or instead of this, let's type fade toggle. Okay, so when we click it, it fades in and then fades out. Where is it? Here it is, fade toggle. Okay, so let's open this in Firefox again, and there it is. If we click, perfect, beautiful. Okay, you see it fades in and it fades out, and we can delay that. Let's put here 1000, and let's turn back, Firefox, refresh. If I click, you have a little delay on the fade. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, beautiful. So you have a lot of you can try a lot of different effects that you have here. Fade in, fade out, fade toggle. You have slide toggle. Let's try slide toggle. I think this is a very cool one as well. So let's type here slide toggle. Let's leave 1000, and let's run this. Firefox. Okay. As you can see, it slides down and slides up. Okay. It's pretty much like toggle. Okay. Just a little difference. And okay, that's it. If you guys want to try some more, you have a lot of animations here you can use. Okay, so in the next video we will talk about some more events. Okay, so let's turn back, and here if we click events, these we'll try some other events, because the only event we have tried until now is click. Okay, so in the next video I will show you some more events. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.